If a human tried to build what a spider builds every night, they'd fail. A spider's web is thinner than a hair, lighter than cotton, yet stronger than steel. Every strand is placed with microscopic precision, geometry designed by instinct, not thought. Spider silk doesn't start as a thread. It's a liquid protein stored inside special glands. The moment it touches air, it transforms into a solid fiber stronger than Kevlar. No machine on Earth can replicate that reaction perfectly. A spider's thread can stretch 5 times its length without breaking. It can absorb energy like armor. If humans could spin it, a pencil-thin strand could stop a jet in mid-flight. That's not science fiction. That's nature's physics, perfected. Scientists have tried, from milking spiders to cloning their genes into goats. The result? Threads close, but never quite the same. Because what spiders do isn't chemistry. It's a living process of tension, humidity, and molecular control we barely understand. Each web is both art and weapon. The spider feels vibration, like a musician reading sound. Every tremor tells a story. Wind, prey, predator. To it, the web is not just a trap. It's a language. A spider doesn't need sight to build. Blindfold one, and it will still spin a perfect web, guided by touch, by geometry, encoded in its DNA. It builds in silence, but every movement is memory, a blueprint older than language itself. We call it instinct, but that word hides the truth. A spider's brain is so efficient, it doesn't think, it executes. It calculates vibration frequencies to know if the web caught a fly or another spider. It's pattern recognition without consciousness, intelligence before emotion. No guilt, no hesitation. When prey is trapped, it's wrapped alive, silenced in seconds. The spider feels no thrill, no cruelty, only execution and design. It kills perfectly because nature made it emotionless. Recent studies show that a spider's web is an extension of its brain. When something touches a strand, it changes how the spider processes information, like neurons firing. The web thinks with the spider. Spider silk can sense sound, not through ears, but through vibration in air. A whisper from meters away travels across threads, alerting the spider. It's as if the web itself listens. In one experiment, scientists gave spiders caffeine. Their webs became chaotic, uneven, broken, random. Remove the drug, and the geometry returned. Even chaos has rules in the spider's world. Spider silk starts as water, a protein soup inside their body. The moment it exits, molecules lock into order stronger than titanium. That's not evolution by accident. It's molecular architecture. We tried to copy it, from labs to genetics. We even spliced spider DNA into goats to make silk milk. It worked, but never the same. Because spider silk isn't just chemistry, it's life programmed into physics. Spiders don't roar, don't chase, don't bleed sound. Their silence is their dominance. In stillness, they control an entire room, unseen, but always there. Humans fear spiders more than tigers, but not because of danger. It's ancient, the brain's rejection of quiet perfection. Spiders mirror everything we're not, calm, precise, unfeeling. In another study, a spider placed in zero gravity built a web upside down. No confusion. It simply adapted. Human astronauts took days to adjust. The spider took minutes. The geometry of their webs inspired algorithms, from architecture to the internet itself. Every connection, every node, follows a principle spiders mastered millions of years before Wi-Fi existed. Spiders twitch in their sleep, like cats dreaming. Scientists found REM-like cycles, meaning they may visualize patterns, prey, maybe even memories. If they dream, what do they dream about? Some species build false webs, empty decoys. When predators attack the fake, the real spider watches nearby, safe. It doesn't just build, it deceives. A spider's venom isn't chaos. It's chemistry targeted by type. Each toxin custom-made for flies, ants, or other spiders. No waste, no mercy. Only perfect efficiency. Scale a spider to human size, and it could leap 3-story buildings, crush steel, and sense your heartbeat through air. If humans vanished, spiders wouldn't just survive. They'd inherit silence. They show curiosity. Some species explore tools, even toys. Their movements slow when calm, tense when alert. They may not love, but they respond. A flicker of awareness behind those glassy eyes. Spiders talk in vibration, invisible sound through silk. Every pulse carries data, mating calls, danger alerts, even identity. They whisper in frequencies humans can't hear. Spiders should have gone extinct with dinosaurs, but didn't. Their secret was simplicity. Nothing wasted, nothing emotional. They adapted to every era by changing almost nothing. We invented machines, cities, and steel, yet can't match the precision of a creature with a brain smaller than a raindrop. They don't need technology. They are technology. Every spider knows how to build without ever learning. That means memory is written in their genes. Construction encoded at birth. It's biology turned into architecture. In one test, a spider escaped a sealed container by spinning silk into a bridge, attaching it to a gap and pulling itself free. It solved a problem no one taught it to solve. If we decode the secret of spider silk, we could build armor, buildings, even space elevators. Nature already solved tensile strength. We just haven't caught up. They evolved without noise, without ego, without waste. In a world where humans dominate with chaos, the spider dominates with silence. Every web you see is a reminder. Nature doesn't need consciousness to create genius. If humans ever disappear, the spiders will still be there, spinning perfection into silence.